Oh my goodness, people. We are under a massive, severe thunderstorm warning. Seriously, look at these clouds, man. This is unbelievable. Oh my goodness, dude. Yeah, this is going to be an insane, severe thunderstorm. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's getting really, really dark right now. It is getting really, really dark. And it's starting to rain. It's starting to rain. I think I'm hearing raindrops. I don't know. Oh my goodness, dude. Seriously, look at that. Look at that bright purple. It's like purple pinkish. Oh my goodness. This is going to be an insane severe thunderstorm warning. Or an insane severe thunderstorm. Why is my camera out of focus? Okay. Yeah, it's getting extremely dark right now. Oh boy. Winds are picking up and everything. You can hear the wind chimes. You can hear the wind chimes and everything, swinging back and forth. You can see the flag moving. You can see the flag is moving. Oh yeah. Yeah, these clouds are moving super fast. Just look at that cloud. Just look at those clouds. It's literally pink purple. Literal pink purplish. Oh my goodness, dude. Yeah. These wind chimes are just swinging around like crazy, dude. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, there goes the streetlights. There goes the streetlights. Oh my god. Oh, I think I just saw a flash. Lightning right there. Hearing sirens. I'm hearing sirens everywhere. Ah. There's something in my face. Yeah, it's getting really, really dark. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, there's a lot of firefighter sirens. Oh boy. Bro. This is very scary. Seriously, look at that. Look at that pinkish, kind of reddish, a bit. Seriously, that's crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude, I've never seen anything like it before. Seriously, look at that. That's crazy. I've never seen the clouds that color before. Oh my goodness. I'm starting to shake a little bit. Starting to get scared a bit. But don't worry. Oh god. Oh boy. Oh! Lightning flash right there. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Wind's really picking up. Oh my god. Okay, okay. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Another lightning flash. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Okay. The winds are really, really getting stronger. Okay. Oh man. Okay. Okay. Hold up. Hold on, let me. Oh man. Oh my goodness. It's really getting dark. Oh, here we go. It's starting to rain. Here we go. It's starting to rain. Starting to rain. Here we go. Oh man. Yeah. Yeah, here we go. Oh my. Oh yeah. Now it's coming. Here we go. Now it's here. Now it's here. Oh my god. Holy moly. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah. And now the rain. Now it's officially coming down. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. Holy moly. Holy moly. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. 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 Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is absolutely crazy. Look at this. It's coming down there. Rain's coming down like crazy. Oh my god. Look how heavy rain is coming down. Wow. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. This is absolutely nuts. This is absolutely nuts. Oh my goodness. Wow. Rain is really heavy. Oh, lightning flash right there. And oh my god. Yeah. That's really coming down. It's really coming down. Oh my lord. Yeah. Oh man. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my lord. Alright. Okay. Oh man. Oh man. Yeah. It's constant flashes. There's flashes right now. Oh my god. Man. Yeah. It's really coming down. It's really coming down. Yeah. Oh my god. It's like, oh, screaming. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Something bad. Something bad. Look at that. It's going like crazy. It's like a little screamer. It's all crazy. Guys, there's constant flashes of lightning right now. Oh my goodness, dude. This is absolutely crazy. I've never seen. I don't know. Yeah. All of a sudden, the winds just calmed down out of like this. Second it started raining, the winds just calmed down. I don't know why. I honestly don't know why they calmed down, but I don't know. It's still pretty crazy on how it's like raining frequently. Oh my goodness, massive, really. Oh my god, this is absolutely nuts. Oh my god, absolutely nuts, dude. For some reason, all of a sudden the winds just calmed down. The second it started raining, it just calmed down. Really calm down. Oh my god, lightning flash right there. Oh man. Yeah. It's really coming. It's really coming down right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is absolutely crazy, man. This dude. Oh my god, dude. Seriously. The rain is just coming down so frequently. Oh, here we go. Winds are picking up again. I'm feeling, I don't know. I'm starting to feel like some sort of breeze. I think. I don't know. I don't know what I'm feeling here. Oh, the rain is starting to, oh yeah, here we go. Yeah, the winds are picking up again. Yeah, here we go. Here comes the winds. Here come the winds. The rain went from pouring down to now pouring a little bit sideways, kind of. Oh man, yeah. This is absolutely nuts, dude. Look at that. It's like, oh man. Yeah, I don't know if the winds are picking up again. I mean, it's just like a little bit barely, but still, like, I don't know. I don't really know. The rain is really coming down hard right now. Oh my god. Dude. This is absolutely crazy, dude. Like, my goodness, dude. This is absolutely... Whoa! Oh my god. Okay, yeah. Huge lightning flash. Big lightning flash. Super bright. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, the winds are picking up again. Oh my god. Oh, yeah. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Now the winds are picking back up again. Oh, my God. Oh, my goodness. The rain is just got even heavier. Extremely heavier. Oh, my God. I think the worst is here. I think the worst part of this storm is here. That was just the beginning. Another lightning flash. Oh, my God. Oh, man. Yeah, that's crazy. That's absolutely crazy, dude. Oh my god. Oh man. Wind burst. Wind burst. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay. Yeah, here we go. Now the winds are back. Yeah, the winds are back. Oh my god. Rain's blowing all over my face. Oh my god. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Oh my god. Holy moly. Wow. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, here we go. There we go. Yeah, here we go. Oh my. Oh my goodness, the rain is blowing all over my face. Oh my. Yeah, this is absolutely crazy. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my goodness. This is what you call a severe thunderstorm. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, wow. Yeah. Oh my god, dude. Wow. Wow. Man, I am soaking wet right now. Oh my. Yo! Oh my goodness. Bruh. I can't even say anything right now. I'm speechless. This is insanity. Oh my god. Wow. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, winds are really strong. Really strong. Real strong winds, dude. Oh my god. Super strong wind gusts. Oh boy, here we go. Here we go again. Super strong winds. Super strong wind gusts. Yeah, my camera's all wet right now. Oh, I just made it wetter. Ugh. Okay, it's back. Oh my god. This is unbelievable. This is unbelievably crazy right now. Oh my god. This is unbelievable, dude. Oh my god. Man. It's really coming. Oh man. Oh my god. Yeah, that tree back there was blowing like crazy. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh my god, I am all soaking wet right now. Oh my god. This is unbelievable, dude. This is unbelievably crazy. Oh my god. Another lightning flash. Oh my god. Oh man. Wow. Unbelievably crazy what you call this. Oh my god. This is so crazy. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. The wind's really picking up good. Really picking up good right now. Yeah. The winds are really picking up. Really picking up good. Bruh, this is insanity is what I call this. This is what I call insanity, dude. Oh my god. Wow. That was a good one. That was a good one. Man. Oh my god. This. Man. It's unbelievable, man. Never seen anything like this before. Oh my god. This is super intense right now. This is unbelievable, man. Oh boy, here we go. Winds are, yeah, slowly. Oh my god. Man. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. My god. This is unbelievable. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say that. Oh my god. Now this is what I call a major severe thunderstorm. Oh my god. Seriously, I've never seen a thunderstorm this strong before. In September, my god. Oh my goodness. That was also a good one. Wow. This is unbelievable. Never seen anything like it. Oh, yeah. This is unbelievable. Never seen anything like this. Again, never seen anything like it. I honestly don't know what to say. Like, this is literally the most unbelievable storm that I've ever went through. Oh my god. Oh, yeah. Ugh, another alert is going off on my radios. I'm pretty sure it's another warning. I'm pretty sure. Oh my god. Seriously. Yeah. This was just in craziness. Oh my goodness. Seriously, that was the excitement. Seriously, dude. That was most certainly the excitement. A lot of wind, lightning, loud thunder, heavy rain. Seriously, just unbelievably crazy, man. Seriously, never went through a thunderstorm this strong before, ever. Since, September of 2000. Oh my god, there's so much lightning flashes. So much lightning flashes now. Yeah, but, I'm pretty sure the storm is over, but seriously, that was just a crazy turn of events. Oh man. Yeah, that was definitely the excitement there. Oh man. That was definitely the excitement, dude. That was seriously, it was pouring like crazy, and the winds were blowing like crazy too. Like seriously, the wind. There was wind picking up. There was heavy rain downpours and a lot of, oh my god. Yeah, but that was the storm for you guys. That was the storm for you guys. That was it. That was the one. That's it. That's it. That's the storm for you guys. It's heavy rain, wind, and a bunch of other stuff. And I'm pretty sure the storm is over because it's not raining heavy as much now. So, yeah. So, I'm going to go ahead and end the video and watch the rest of it.